Hello. Editing an academic paper isn't just about fixing grammar. It's about sharpening your argument, refining your language, and ensuring every word counts. Let's get started. Step 1. Clarify your thesis statement. Start by revisiting your thesis statement. Ask yourself, is it clear, specific, and debatable? A vague or overly broad thesis weakens your entire paper. For example, overly broad thesis statement, before. Climate change is a problem that must be addressed. Revised thesis statement, after. This paper argues that climate change policies in sub-Saharan Africa must prioritize local agricultural resilience to ensure food security over the next decade. First tip, make your thesis focused and arguable. Step 2, eliminate wordiness. Wordiness slows down your reader and dilutes your message. Say more with less. For example, redundant, before. The final conclusion of the study is that collaboration and teamwork are essential components that are necessary. Concise, after. The study concludes that collaboration and teamwork are essential. Second tip, cut clutter for sharper sentences. Step 3, check paragraph structure. A clear topic sentence and logical flow keep your argument cohesive. For example, poor flow before. Public transport systems are growing. Cities are crowded. Pollution increases. Revised after. As cities become more crowded, the demand for efficient public transport increases. Consequently, well-planned systems can reduce pollution and traffic congestion. Third tip, paragraphs should flow and support your argument. Step 4, use precise language. Academic writing values precision. Avoid vague words and use discipline-specific terms. For example, informal, vague before. Lots of researchers believe this theory is true. Precise after. Recent studies by Smith, 2022, and Zhao, 2023, support the validity of the proposed cognitive theory. Fourth tip, choose words that reflect your argument precisely. Step 5, read it aloud. Reading aloud helps you catch awkward phrasing and unclear transitions. For example, repetitive phrasing. In conclusion, to summarize, the research shows. Revised. In conclusion, the research shows. Fifth tip, if it doesn't sound clear, it isn't. Final tip, use editing tools wisely. Editing software is helpful, but your brain is better. For example, Grammarly may flag a passive voice, but only you know whether it fits the tone or purpose of your argument. Clarity and precision are what turn a draft into a distinction. Invest time in editing. Your academic credibility depends on it. Like, subscribe, share for more academic writing, copy editing, and proofreading tips.